If I do add a little bit of alcohol to it, try to stick it on there. And if I do don't have that there, it's still slight. Well, pretty good, but I don't trust it that much. We'll see.
A few moments later.
So this is a lanyard. I don't know. Chances to rotate. There's no rotate on this thing. Alright, so the lanyard is connected to the thingamabob, which is connected to something else.
One eternity later.
Stuck. There we go. In case you guys were wondering, I am a professional. I know exactly what I'm doing in every second. An eagle. An eagle. Set up here, make sure it's all ready to rock and roll. Looks like everything's ready to go. Don't even have to get out of the vehicle. Just bang. And we're off to the races. To this. A lot more than I thought it would be. Alright. Oh man, I almost broke the spear. Oh, I see what I was doing. I was leaning ahead and trying to adjust the stupid kit. Okay. That's what was going on. Okay. Well. I'm putting you on the suction cup next time, buddy. I'm not doing this again. I did that one time. I remember doing that one time over the other bar, and ended up breaking the spear. I wasn't too pleased with myself. All right, so let's go get these bales. There's a little lumber over there. We'll get him later. See what I'm talking about? The woodchuck holes everywhere. Skid steer to get them, but yeah, I wasn't paying attention. See, I'm not perfect. I'm not perfect at all. But on occasion, I come up with some good ideas.